Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use row function in your Google Sheets. So this is a basic formula, easiest formula. So if you add row and then close the parenthesis, so it gives you the current row number, which is 603. Now if I want to get any row number from my dump row, select the first one and close the parenthesis. It gives you the row number of department, which is 591. Now, if you want to use this formula in other functions, so it will be useful. But you might think like why we are using it here. So a lone row function may not useful that much because we already know the row numbers from the left hand side. But let me show you the other way where you can find useful after using it. Match. So I'm going to use match function along with row. You can use with any other functions. So let's see how it going to be what department. So I'm going to select the first row and then I'm going to select the entire range here, comma 0 and plus I'm going to add a row function. Now I'm going to get the exact row number, which is this one, comma -1. Now I'll show you what happens. Uh, so I'm getting the row number as 591. So when you have a huge dump and you want to find out the row number, so this formula is useful. Let's drag this formula here. So as you can see, this is giving me the range of row numbers. So 591, 592. So it totally depends how you use it. So let me actually break this formula. So it has two parts. One is match and then one part of it having the row function. Let's remove the row here. I'm going to control X and then enter. What I'm getting here is 591. And what was my actual result? Result was 591. So I need to get 591, right? So when I use this function, I got 591. Now I need 590. So for that, what I need to do is this function, right? So I'm going to use row and the row number, which I'm looking at 591, and then doing -1, that will give me 590. And then I'm adding with match, I'm getting 591, which is row number for department. So this is how you can do it, but this looks kind of complicated. We will make it simple. So let's write the formula here. So this is a formula. So let's make a drop down so that you can directly select the cell reference so that you can get the automatically the details, or else you can choose from here the list, then also it will work. So there are so many departments and so many things are here. So I just want for, let's assume these three categories, sorry, so these three categories I'm looking at. So I want only details of these three categories. So let's take the formula. Okay, and it will obviously make it dynamic. So I'm going to select this one and apply the formula, which will give me the um, row number reference for this one, which is 594. If I drag the formula, you can see the row numbers are giving here. For finance, because finance has mentioned two times, so it is giving the first occurrence of this first occurrence of the finance. So this is how you can use match and row function in your Google Sheet. Hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching.